Hi, sorry for the interruption that we've had. We had some technical difficulties. So we are back again, and we will have a keynote which we had already started playing. This will be a keynote from Mr. Puneet Agarwal, who will talk about design-led manufacturing in India, a success story. To give you a brief around Puneet, Puneet is one of the founders and chief executive officer of Vividian Technologies Private Limited. Puneet co-founded Vividian Technologies in 2007, which is a technology innovation company providing broad spectrum of embedded design services and manufacturing capabilities in 5G networking and Wi-Fi, vision, IoT, and the cloud. As the CEO, as the pioneering CEO, actually, Puneet will be taking forward the Vividian's vision and is responsible for implementing its growth strategy. Prior to being the CEO, Puneet was the president of the 5G and Wi-Fi engineering team and the global sales team. As an entrepreneur with more than a decade of experience in hyper-growth environments, he has managed multi-million-dollar technology businesses using his skills of business leadership, sales, and general management. Personally, he wants to make an impact socially and takes technology to different scales of opportunity. And his personal priorities are job creation in India and driving India to become the next electronics manufacturing hub for the world. Puneet has been instrumental in driving several initiatives for the ESDM industry and is always at the forefront in developing the ecosystem. So we are glad to have Puneet here, and we request Puneet to take the stage.
Hello everyone, my name is Puneet Agarwal. And today I'm going to talk about how Vividian is helping creating product brands out of India. Traditionally, as you know, a lot of product companies in India used to import the electronic products from other countries and then create a local brand in India. How Vividian is changing that? Vividian got started in 2007 and the complete founding team came back from California and they had a great experience in understanding how the complete product can be designed. And that is where Vividian built a complete ecosystem of product design and manufacturing within India in the last 15 years. Vividian, as a design company, we have more than 3,000 engineers located across India, and we carry the capability of designing from hardware to software to mechanical, which primarily means we can design the entire product inside India with the entire IP residing again inside India. This is very important. This is not only the technology innovation, but also a complete product life cycle, which is very important for a lot of product brands in India. Within the last 15 years, Vividian has been working in several domains, which includes IoT, Wi-Fi networking, 5G, as well as vision. Within these domains, Vividian is developing a lot of products. For example, in 5G domain, we are developing 5G base stations, 5G RRUs. In Wi-Fi networking, we are developing Wi-Fi access points, network switches. In vision and cameras, we are developing next generation security and surveillance cameras, AI-enabled cameras. So in IoT, we are developing a lot of dash cams. We are developing EV chargers, trackers. Now, these are the kind of products where you would like that a lot of product brands shall come out of India, own these products as a brand, and then not only use the domestic market in India, but also export them outside India to several countries. And that is what we have done in the last 15 years. We have enabled several companies within India and has developed a lot of these products. And I'll probably give you some case studies. We have been successfully delivering Wi-Fi access points to a couple of Wi-Fi brands in India. We have been delivering dash cams to a couple of brands in India. We have been delivering IoT products to a couple of brands in India. Now, this is very important because it's not only the technology ecosystem, but if you have a complete brand ecosystem in India, this will help in developing more and more jobs. It will help in creating more and more opportunities for manufacturing industry. This will help in creating more and more technology innovation within India. What is more important is that once the brands are well established, they are able to cater to both domestic and the export market. We have seen Indian brands going to countries like USA, Canada, Japan, Europe, everywhere where their products are designed in India, manufactured in India, and then they're able to export to many countries, which means that now India is fully capable of delivering that high quality products which can be as compared to any other international brand. Now, what is important to understand from Vividian perspective, that we were able to create not only the design ecosystem, but we also created the complete manufacturing ecosystem within India. We have our own SMT lines, we have our own mechanical factories, which includes molding, which includes die casting, plastic injection, and this gives a complete vertical integration, which helps product brands to depend on a single company for their entire design of product as well as manufacturing. This is really amazing. But again, one thing is very important to understand is that we need to protect the IP of these brands, which primarily means that these brands shall be able to depend on companies like VVDN and make sure that if they develop a product, their product is always unique. The VVDN will always help these brands to create their next generation of technology, which will create more and more product models, as well as there will be a complete ecosystem of supply chain which can be localized in India using these products. One more important factor which I want to discuss today, that how it is different from importing from other countries to India and making a product brand versus how you can design a complete product and then create a product brand in India. What is more important to understand is customization. India as a country has its own needs. You talk about whether it is wireless connectivity, you talk about whether it is camera and vision products. Every country has its own set of demands, its own set of culture. It is very, very evident that if a product is locally designed and locally manufactured, you would be able to customize the product as per the country requirements, as per the local people requirements, and that makes a brand successful. Another factor which I want to discuss today is the quality. Quality really matters. India is always known for services industry. We have been providing a lot of software IT services to the whole world. We are very well known for that. But when it comes to the product, we have to match the quality which will go to the international market. This is what VVDN is able to create, that now we have well established, very large reliability labs and certification labs, using which all the products what we design, we are able to certify with international quality standards, and that enables a lot of product brands to market their products across the world. I would like to really emphasize that we need to create more and more brands in India, and VVDN is fully committed to do that. And once this becomes a culture of India, it will not only help in making a local ecosystem of startup companies, local ecosystem of a lot of product brands, but also helps in our Prime Minister vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Hello everyone, my name is Puneet Agarwal, and today I'm going to...
Thank you, Puneet, for that inspiring talk, and also